Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. This isn't going to be a long video. I've been out of town a couple weeks and I know I'm a few weeks behind in putting a video up, so I wanted to work on this and get something up. I did a lot of work, but just watch the time lapse and then next video will be a lot more details and it should be much better. But enjoy this one for now. I'm pretty much finishing up the plaster work on this one. All right, guys, thanks. I think I finished around 4 hours of this thing, and I think I'm giving up for tonight. It is, I've been gone and I haven't worked on this for a little bit. I know it's been a couple weeks since I put a video out. So I was really trying to make a bunch of progress and try to get some things done so that you can have something to check out. And I did. I made a bunch of progress. I worked on it, like I said, 3 or 4 hours. So I'm gonna go through and give you some details on some of the things that were giving me problems and just kind of how I went through the process of what you will have seen in the quick time or the time lapse. Anyway, Panda wanted to say hi. Can you say hi? So I have found that working with shorter pieces is a bit easier, smaller pieces. There's certain areas that just don't cover well, like corners like that, and going upside down. I just can't get things to stick. I mean, it does stick sometimes. And I'm just seeing, I haven't done any of this. So now I gotta go back and get, I think I'm almost out too. I tried to keep some scraps in case I need something, and I already need something. But I've gone through, I went around some of the rock formation, hoodoos and stuff, going through all the little tunnels, around the pillars, around all the arches, and around those pillars as well. I have a section under here that I just could not get it to stick up in there. And I may just leave it because, well, you'll see. I'm gonna be building some cool details into this section. And now I really wanted to bust through this. Working with this plaster is super messy. You can see all over my ground. Hey, don't lick that. Oh, she had found a leaf. I thought she was licking the plaster. And so I just kind of really wanted to finish it up. I mean, this work table is a mess. Powder gets everywhere when you cut it, when you unpackage it. And so I really wanted to bust through this section and get it done and move on. So I just put in the time and hours today to just try to get it all coated and finished so I can move on. So that's where I'm at. And the next video will basically have a ton of details coming in. And I still need to drill all the holes and put the wire through because I got those 2 bridges that I need to put up. I'm gonna put those up toward the end, just so when I'm spray painting and doing the details, it doesn't get in the way. So hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of work put in today and I'm happy with it. And so it's still drying, otherwise I try and drive the crawler on it. We're gonna have a video out soon on this one. I'm trying to work on a frame, exoskeleton frame for it, but that'll be another video strictly for this build. But while I'm here, it's out here. Just thought I'd show you. I just noticed part of the mess got splattered all over the door even. Lots of cleanup to do. You're gonna help? Probably not.